Hello, it's Diane. Well, I did it. I have been monetized. Thank you so much. It is you, not me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. My dog has anxiety and he whines, especially when I'm talking into the air. So please, just be patient and ignore it. I had one comment. One lady hated my music. She thought I was stupid and she couldn't stand my dog. Okay, that's the worst comment I've got so far. But I don't care. I'm gonna ignore it because there are people out there who cannot find any good in anything. So, first let me say that your comments mean everything to me. And there is no way that I'm not going to return your comment some way, somehow. If I forget one, then it's YouTube's fault because they have a list of comments that I haven't responded to. And I respond to them every day. If I forget one, please forgive me. It's really not my fault. I will comment. I saw this girl on a YouTube video, and she was in a van with her family, and they were going to their local eatery, and I thought, okay, this will be fun. Let me watch this. Oh my God, she pulled up at my town's oldest restaurant. I mean, it's like famous. She pulled in there and went, oh my God, she is in my town. So I commented, and she even looked familiar, and I told her who I was, and if you live in my town, you know who my daughter is because she's like locally famous. I'll explain that later. It all has to do with her son's death and the nonprofit that she created. And I thought maybe I met her through my daughter in some way. So I told her who my daughter was, blah, blah, blah. And I told her how familiar she looked, and I loved her with video and all that. Never received a comment. Well, it being who I am, it hurt my feelings because I poured out my heart to her, and I wished her the best. And I know she's a mother and got children and all, but if you stay on top of the comment, I mean, the people who write the comments are the people who are keeping your channel going. Why would I not respond to you nice people? And I'm going to. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. We're going to do some fun things. Talk about some weird stuff. Because that's who I am. I'm not sticking to tiny house talk. I mean, once you've gone through it and seen it, I don't know. I just got a lot to talk about. Okay. A year and a half ago. Oh, one more little thing. One little bitty thing. If you see an ad on my videos, if you could suffer through it for 30 seconds, I would get paid for that. That's how we make our money. It's just like TV. There are commercials. You have to sit through them. You have no choice on TV. That's how the people who make the shows get paid. That's simple. And if you like all of your favorite YouTubers, suffer through their ads. They don't get paid much, but after a while it adds up. So you can help them all out, including me, just by suffering through it for 30 seconds. Thank you. That's all I'll say about that. But a year and a half ago, I decided, after watching YouTube, because I love it, I mean, how can you get bored on YouTube? I decided I could do that and maybe quit sewing, standing on my feet all day long. So I bought a camera because I didn't want to use my phone. I have a business phone, constantly ringing, constant emails, texts, all that kind of stuff. I just didn't want to use my phone. So I bought a camera. Yes, I'm impulsive. I do stupid things. But I bought a camera. Took me a month to learn how to use it. Took me 2 months to figure out how to make a YouTube video and how to put it on YouTube. It's one step at a time. But I did it. And the first few I made, I did not show my face. I just talked and panned around, whatever. And then I went, what the heck? I'll show my face. Well, I made 14 videos. They did nothing. No one watched them. No one commented. I think at the end of that I may have had 7 subscribers. And today I have almost 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'll try to quit saying that, but I am thankful. So I quit making them. This is not working. Maybe I should try to sell that camera that I paid $1,000 for. Yes, I paid $1,000 for it. It doesn't have to have a mic. It picks up sound so well that it doesn't even need a mic. You know, I researched them before I bought it. It's a Z30 Nikon. It's a great camera. Okay. 6 months later, I thought, I'm going to try this again. Because I still have the camera. I just need to try it one more time. So I did. I made a few more videos. Still nothing. Nothing. Gave up again. Then I think I waited 3 more months, which was 3 weeks ago. And I went, dadgummit, I am so tired. I cannot keep sewing. I'm 75. I will be 76 in November. I've got to quit physically working because I work. I have to pick up heavy bolts of fabric. Then I have to box everything up and ship it. And sometimes the box weighs 30 pounds. And it's a big old long box. And I'm trying to shuffle it out to the back porch for UPS. I can't keep doing that. So I thought, I'm going to give YouTube one more shot. Because I don't need to make much. I have Social Security. I don't need to make much, but I need to make some extra. Okay, so 3 weeks ago, I did it again. Started making videos. Still nothing the first week. Second week, my video was, I'm 75 and live in a shed. And boom, it just started receiving views. I have 75,000 views on that one video right now. And people started subscribing, liking, sending comments. And therefore, they watch my next week's videos. So I think I'm okay now. I know I'm not going to make that much, but I will make enough that I can stop standing on my feet sewing. And I only have you people to thank for that, because it's you. It's not me. It's you. Thank you so much. Okay. I'm going to tell you why I think that one video took off. Because I don't know how this happened. My son, who is a media teacher, said, your thumbnail, you know what the thumbnail is? That's what you actually see, the little square on YouTube that gets your attention. You know, that so that you click on it or pass it by. That's the thumbnail. He said, your thumbnail was brilliant. I didn't know it was brilliant when I did it at the time. I said, I'm 75 and live in a shed, which is a true statement. I didn't say it was a beautiful shed, but it is. It is now my home. I love it. And I'm so grateful to be here on YouTube. And I'm going to continue to make videos because I love it. And I love you people. I have made friends through your comment. Okay, I'm gonna shut up because I could go on and on. But I'm telling you, if you're trying to make it on YouTube, try to think of a statement that is going to go, that would grab you, yourself, and that would make someone watch your video. You just got to keep trying. Don't give up. I'd heard people say, don't give up. Well, I'm one of those now that's saying, don't give up. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please like my video. And if you want to see the next one, which is I'm cooking some dog food in about 2 hours, if you want to watch that, ring the bell and you will be notified when that video comes up. Oh, my dog's scratching the couch now. Quinn. And he can't hear. You know, I still love him. He's old. He's almost 13. I'm going to go. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. And love is coming from me to you. Thank you so much.